Hey, what's going on guys? It's Linksk, and today I'm going to teach you the fundamentals of clipping in Phantom Forces. Basically how it works is that Phantom Forces clipping falls under three different categories: feeds, trick shots, and Collatz. Feeding is when you get multiple kills in the kill feed in direct order. For example, if I pick up a sniper and kill 6 people in rapid succession and 6 kills from me appear in the feed with no splits, it is considered a 6-on. This is one of the few clips that you can hit in Phantom Forces that can be used in montages. The second category, trickshotting, is when you go for trick shots off high places that involve large distances. This can be a single kill as long as it is from a large distance. For example, a 360 off the crane onto someone from a parking lot or the office building on crane site is a usable clip. Even though it is a single kill, there is a big distance between them and you've spun before. That's what classifies a trick shot, and that's what makes the basic trick shotting of the Phantom Forces community. Finally, the Phantom Forces community uses Collatz as clips in montages. Collatz meaning anything from a triple collat and higher. A triple collat is when you kill 3 people with the same bullet. For example, most commonly, when you use a BFG and you kill 3 people in 1 bullet down the escalator on Metro, for example. Collaterals can be with almost any gun in the game as long as it is in positions that aren't clearly spawn trapped. For example, triples down the escalator aren't as usable as triple collatz in the open, as they are much less common. Clipping in Phantom Forces isn't just limited to just these 3 categories. More different variations of these clips can be made, such as pieces, non-stops, and more. A piece is when you hit a trick shot and multiple kills within a short duration, that it shows up as either a triple kill, a quad kill, or a multi-kill in the feed. For trick shots in pieces don't have to be as long range as singular trick shots, as it is accompanied by many kills that come after, making the shorter range trick shots usable as long as it has more kills to come after. And lastly, non-stops are when you spin around simultaneously without stopping for a minute and then killing someone. These are usually acceptable from any stud range, as it is very hard to time and see them. You're spending no time stopping and staring, and it is pure luck to when you hit them, which leads to their really high rarity. There's not a lot of them because it's really hard to hit. With these basics down, now all that stops you guys from getting into different clans and different communities is meeting standards. A standard for a clan is basically what defines the entry requirement to that clan. To enter a clan, you need to apply through an RC, a recruitment challenge, and in these recruitment challenges, there are specific standards of clips that you need to meet. Some clans, such as Paradox, Rage, and Xenon Alliance, don't accept simple quad kills or quad feeds or 360s. These top tier clans require higher feeds and better trick shots in order to get in. For example, a 5-on is not usable by Rage standards, so you need to only submit 6-ons and above. By setting standards for yourself, you can define what is usable and what isn't. The basic community standards for Phantom Forces clippers is as follows: 5-on headshot and above for feeding, 360 trick shots from 200 studs and higher, triple collatz regardless of body shots or headshots and above, and 3 pieces from 100 studs and above. And the more you progress in clipping, the higher your standards will get and the better feeds and clips you can hit. Once again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you learned something, leave a like, comment, and please do subscribe. More videos discussing tips and tricks for other clips will be coming soon on this channel, so stay tuned for that. We'll be going in depth about feeding, collatz, and trick shots. Once again, I hope you guys enjoy, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.